Hey everybody, my name's Chase. We're back at the Barbecue Pit Stop. Today we're gonna make a super easy, simple, delicious elote dip. Now this is something that we started cooking not too long ago and I absolutely love. It's perfect for game day, it's perfect for hanging out with the family, or if you're going to a party and you just need an easy, simple, delicious dip. We're gonna start out with some whole kernel or cream style sweet corn. We're gonna go ahead and throw that into a cast iron. If you don't have a cast iron, just throw it right into a pan. We're gonna do 1 can of sweet corn. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of butter, and then we're gonna hit it pretty generously with our Hay Grill Hay Fiesta Rub. Any Fiesta or kind of Mexican style, traditional fajita style rub would be perfect for this. We're gonna hit it pretty generously, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take this down to our smoker. Now we're cooking on the Camp Chef Woodwind Pro 24 today, and we're gonna put it in our smoker at 300 degrees and let it go for just about 20 minutes. All right, so we're out here at our Camp Chef. We've got our corn that we seasoned with that fajita rub. Now we're just gonna throw it right in the center of our grill at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna wait about 20-25 minutes. We'll come back out and we'll keep the recipe going. So it's been about 20 minutes. We took this dip, we mixed it up, and everything's just blended in nicely. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a few extra ingredients. So we're gonna go and add that 1 block of cream cheese. Now I just split it up into cubes. We're gonna add that in there. We went and we mixed up 2 tablespoons of mayo with 4 tablespoons of sour cream. And that's gonna go right in there. We've got 2 ounces of Queso Fresco. Now Queso Fresco you can get at any grocery store. We're gonna add 2 ounces or about 1/4 of a block. And then last but not least, we're gonna add 3/4 of a lime. All right, and now we're just gonna go ahead, we're gonna mix this all together and really get it all mixed in there. And let it go for about another 30 minutes at that 300 degrees. All right, so it's been about 30 minutes. We ended up pulling off that cast iron, mixing up all that cheesy goodness. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna add just a little bit more of that Fiesta Rub on top. We're just gonna lightly season over the top, nothing too heavy. And we're gonna use our 1867 hot sauce. We're gonna take that hot sauce and we're gonna drizzle it right over the top as well. We wanna get a good mixture in there. And then once we have that all loaded up, so I add these lime wedges on one side. That makes it look awesome for parties. Everybody comes up to asking what it is. It's just beautiful. All right, so we added those limes on here. Let's go ahead and dig in. Go ahead and grab your tortilla chips, take it. We're gonna mix it up a little bit before we dig in and just take a big old scoop. Now that is an elote dip that will be the hit of the party. Go ahead and try this one out.